I have a Honda HRV here. This one got hit down low right in this hook that's on the trunk floor. And you can see here, it completely destroyed the trunk floor as well as the rear body panel is all wadded up. So this one's gonna get a new back panel as well as a new trunk floor. However, first I'm gonna make some pulls and pull the damage out roughly, and then I will start cutting this one apart. So I'm getting ready to cut this trunk floor out, and this trunk floor goes in right here all the way around. However, this plate is on top of the trunk floor, this whole piece. They sell it as a 3-piece assembly, but there's only a couple welds holding this piece to this piece and this piece to this piece. What I'm gonna try to do, and I don't know if I will be able to get away with it or not, I'll find out as I cut into this. I'm going to try to just replace this portion right here. So I'm going to cut just this piece off, and then I'm going to drill through the other spot welds. With these front plates off, I think I will be able to slide the new floor underneath there. I'll find out as I get into it. Worst case scenario, I'll have to cut these back pieces off too. But I'm going to try it that way first and see how it goes. Unfortunately, the procedures I have here that Honda provides are not very clear, but all they show is just these front parts off like I want to do. So we'll see how it goes. So I have this trunk floor sitting in here, roughly fit up with these plates. What I'm gonna do now is the front section is gonna get spot welded up to where this brace is at, and then it's gonna be plug welds across the back. And I have all my holes through this top layer, so I'm gonna mark where all of these holes are at with just a small 1/8 inch drill bit. Then I will lift the floor back out and I'll drill those holes out, because I have to make sure this floor welds into the bottom of the frame rail as well. So I want to make sure all of these holes are in the same spots. So I have this floor and these two side plates all fit up, sitting exactly where it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my main spot welding, and then I will get the MIG welder out and I'll get the back half welded in. So I have this one all welded together. Now I need to go ahead and seam seal all the seams on the inside, and I have some sound deadening pads I gotta put down on the trunk floor as well. And then it's gonna have to go up on the 2-post lift, and we're going to have to drop the suspension loose so I can make sure I can get to everything and seam seal everything underneath here and get the bottom finished as well. Now, I have some sound deadening pads here. These are just universal sound deadening pads. I already cut to the right shape. Well, kinda. I forgot to cut that bottom corner out.
I stay putting in that work.